What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. On the left side will be the picture of a moonlight during the night and we can see it from the window. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed totally into the spooky and creepy look, like the ghost over here, and also the green aura, and also the red moon like this. Isn't that creepy, right? Please don't be scared, right? And how to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use another platform or another AI, then it is very okay, you can go with it. And here I will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation, guys. And if you would like to access it via Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this is the home page, and you can start to scroll down and click try Nano Banana. And after that you can start to upload the picture that contains the window or also the look of the moonlight. And after that you can put the prompt into this section. And basically the prompt will be like this: change this photo to be a deeply unsettling spooky shot looking down a very dark crumbling arched stone hallway in an ancient haunted castle. So this is the result. At the end, the large tall arched window reveals a distorted blood red crescent moon against a swirling and also sickly green sky, hinting at the supernatural disturbance. And also a single weak ghostly beam of unnatural moonlight struggle to pierce the oppressive gloom of the hallway. The most chillingly, from the bottom left exterior corner of the window, a translucent pale white and also ethereal shadow figure with the vague, unsettling features is partially visible. And also subtly peeking into the room, and its presence profoundly disturbing and hinting at unseen horror just beyond the glass. And also the atmosphere is intensely creepy and filled with the dread and utterly haunted. So you can start to give this prompt a screenshot, or you can simply copy it from the description box. And after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result or the output down here. Well, basically this is the same prompt that I used before to transform this picture to become this one, guys. However, by using this same prompt, you can actually have the different look, and you can simply check it out. And if you are satisfied about the result, then you can continue to download it, and you can also share it into your favorite social media. However, if you feel like not really satisfied about the look, then you can go to rerun this by clicking this rerun this turn in this section or this section. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and please don't be afraid. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And you can also let us know if this prompt also worked for you guys. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.